Hi everyone, Jade from LUXTRVL here, your travel advisor for all the tips and local knowledge, hotel expertise in mostly tropical locations. But since I am based in New York, so I do feature lots of New York hotels here. Today we are at the gorgeous Whitby Hotel by Firmdale Hotels. It's owned by the interior designer Kemp, a huge fan of her work. As you can see, this is a great demonstration on everything put together to be a huge masterpiece. Right now we are in the terrace suite, so this is the marble bathroom with the standalone tub. I love all the setup in the bathroom. Outside there's also a very spacious living area and a terrace and also a powder room, so it's 1.5 a bath. And yes, this is another view of the room. This hotel is located in the Midtown area between Avenue America and 5th Avenue on 46th Street. So if you are familiar with New York, Manhattan particularly, this location is very close to North Central Park and west the Theater District, Times Square or whatnot, and then on the east Rockefeller Center, 5th Avenue, and then South Bryant Park. All that jazz is around here, so lots of business travelers on the weekdays and a lot of leisure traveler on the weekends. I really love the details and what Firmdale Hotel does with all the decorations. Like mentioned earlier, huge fan of Kemp's work. I do want to mention booking with me will definitely grant you a extra layer of exquisite service and perks for being my customer. So you can find my contact information below. Shoot me an email to secure your booking here when you visit New York next time.